and welcome to my open house. It's open house day. Excuse that I look like this. I'm curling my hair. Heatless curlers for the win. I put this in at like 12. No, I think 1 o'clock. And I'm gonna keep it on until like 5, like as soon as we get to the open house, you know? So yeah. It's open house day. I'm so excited. I still need a few things. I need clipboards and a container for the mints, but it's not the biggest deal if we don't get it. So I just changed inside of Burlington. Changed, and then I'll take out my hair soon.
You see what we actually know, what it took for us to get here, Father God. I pray that you bless. Not the meal.
This is weird. I just set up, got my little mints, my info, like my card, hand sanitizer, sign-in sheets. This is the bottom floor. That's like the main door. Oh my gosh, the pool. Pool's right there. And then back there's a huge porch, garage, kitchen, bathroom, and we're going upstairs. Okay, cute. This is huge. Bathroom. Bathroom. Another room. And another room. Wow, this is big. Hey guys, and welcome to my open house. I just took out my hair. We got to the house and we set up and everything. We have a little flag right outside, and I think it's like past 4:30 and it starts at 5, so now we wait for people to come. This is always doing that in your videos. This is officially the first open house. Oh, this is my flag, my sign. First open house. It's the outside, y'all. Let me know if you want to buy it. 4 minutes till we open. My cute little flag. I knew this was gonna happen. My hair is getting a little frizzy. I just need you for 2 hours. 2 hours. Keep it together. My first person. My first person came. Oh. I'm freaking out. I pray this works. We're doing a little role play of somebody walking in. So, my parents, well, Kiki and my sister Kiki and my mom. And action. Come on in. Hi guys, welcome. Thank you. How are you?
I'm doing good, and you?
Good. So, how'd you hear about us?
I got an invite from my realtor.
Nice. Would you guys do me a favor and just please sign in real quick, and then you can take a look around.
Thank you.
Where's the more people? The time is 6 p.m. We opened at 5 and I had one person so far. So I'm super excited about that. I gave her my card. She looked around and everything. It was great. Mom came back. How do you think it's going?
It's going good. I am
How do you
very proud of
feel?
you. I'm feeling very happy. I'm happy to be here.
We're feeling very happy. I find it very crazy that a few months ago, not even, let's say 8 months ago, not even 8 months ago, I just had got my license. And not even a year ago, I didn't have my license. So to be here, it's really crazy. And I thank the Lord for helping me get here. And we're just gonna keep going. Keep going. So, got 1 more hour here. This one was a quick one, but I like it because since it's my first one, it's just like, you know, a little taste. And then I'm excited for the one tomorrow because it's longer. It's in a bigger house. We're gonna have some water, some snacks, you know. So yeah, going so good. So far, so good.
And I ran without popping noise. It's like when I don't want to hear the popping noise.
Mom saw some people coming and she bolted up the stairs. She's out of breath now.
I basically levitated over there, okay, because I didn't want to make.
She's standing right here by the door and she's like, oh.
I didn't want to do. So I don't know how I went up there without tapping that much. That was crazy.
I just got my second people. They just came in, a little couple. Second people. 5 more minutes until 7, and they just came in. So I'm excited. They said they liked it and they're just browsing. So yeah, that was interesting. So we have 5 more minutes. I'm gonna wrap up at 7, you know, just in case anybody has any like last minute that they wanna pop by, you know. But it's been a great first open house. So it is officially 7 o'clock and my open house is over. I am packing up right now. So I'm leaving the flag until last, just in case there's somebody, you know, last minute wants to walk in, you know. Not gonna turn nobody down, but for my first open house, I really enjoyed it. So now I get to go home and prepare for the one tomorrow. So I will see you guys tomorrow. The next day, we are at the second open house. It is in D-Land. Here's the setup same setup from yesterday, but we got a table. In the back of the property this is almost a whole acre lot. Goes all the way down there. And there's a barn, that little garage piece. So the backyard is really huge. Then there's a patio. Mom and Dad. Today we have a cooler. Today we have a cooler with water. So this way, there's a bathroom. And then there's 1 bedroom. This is the master. It has a bathroom inside. And then this is a 3rd bedroom. And then this way is the front door, which I'll go out there in a second. Then right from the front door, there's this little dining area. There's that. Here's the garage, the kitchen. I like the appliances, really cute. And they have this area. Fireplace. And then this is the porch. Screened porch, and then you go out to the barn and to this whole backyard. So that's the house. Quick little tour. And it's the second open house. We'll be here until 3 o'clock. It is 11 a.m. So we just opened. The house is on like a private road. It's honestly so quiet. This is the outside of the home. I love this little porch with the chairs and everything. Cute little flowers. And the garage though. Yes. It's 2:40 p.m. So 20 more minutes for the open house. We had one group come so far. So yeah.